I've given out a press statement. I'm going to read it. There are three issues that we raised. The first relates to the statement by Dato' Azalina today in Parliament, in which she says that the AG's chamber is not going to send lawyers from here to oversee or observe the DOJ proceedings. Now, I refer to the reply by Prime Minister in Prime Minister's Department, Dato' Azalina Osman, today, in which she says that Attorney General's chambers will not send lawyers as observers to the DOJ suits. Now, this, with respect, is just not acceptable. Malaysia must take part in this claim. This is a claim which involves billions of ringgits, and the case will involve a process in which facts will be adduced which would or could well impute criminal or even civil liability against individuals connected with the case. We must protect our country and its assets. The best way for us to do that is to appoint lawyers to attend and observe the proceedings and to find ways by which we can claim any of these assets concerned if possible. Now, it will be plainly irresponsible for us to do nothing in the circumstances. With respect, Azalina Osman does not make any sense. The rule of law and respect for United States law does not preclude us from appointing lawyers there to observe proceedings on our behalf. So she says today in her statement that we respect the rule of law and that this is the case in America. So how does that stop us from sending lawyers to observe proceedings? It does not make sense. In addition to that, the fact that no criminal charges have been filed against any individual as yet does not mean that we must wait aimlessly until something happens. We should be proactive, particularly where so much money is involved, and this has become a matter which has gained global publicity. So the reasons given for staying away from the probe are just not acceptable. Keeping away from a case as important as this does not reflect well on our country. I therefore urge the Prime Minister to reconsider this decision forthwith, and the Attorney General must also, as advisor to the Cabinet, push for legal representation for Malaysia in this claim. That's in respect of the DOJ. The statement by Dato' Azalina is widely reported in the press today. Now,